Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to record a voiceover on Instagram Reels. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So open your Instagram and tap on this plus icon and select your reel and capture your reel. Tap on preview and tap on this music icon. Tap on voiceover and tap or hold to record your audio over the video. This is how you can select where you want to start your voiceover. And then tap on done, and you can adjust your camera audio. Also you can adjust your voiceover audio, and you can also add sound effects by tapping on sound effects. You can select any effect from this list and then tap on done. Tap on done, and that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.